Dear brothers and sisters, Hazrat Fatima says, I saw many Muslims, including myself, after making dua or supplication, wipe hands over their face. Is this perceived by a fatwa or sunnah, or whatever you call it? The answer is no. When we make dua, generally speaking, not related to after salah, generally speaking, I am between adhan and iqama. I raise my hands and make dua. After I finish, some people wipe their faces, and this is not backed up by any authentic hadith. So, the hadith that backs it up is not authentic, hence, one should not do that. Now, look at the steps of shaitan. How many times have you seen people not only wipe their faces but try wiping their whole bodies, and every inch of it? I've seen many. How did this start? I personally have approached many. So, I go to them and say, Assalamu alaikum. The guy says, Wa alaikum assalam. Would you accept a word of advice from an elder brother, or should I refrain? Immediately, when they see you speak like this, they say, no, no, no. If they're younger, you say, Uncle, please advise me. If he's a little bit older, he says, yeah, no problem. If he's way older, he says, don't make yourself older. I'm older than you. So, I broke the ice with the grace of Allah. So, I would tell him, I saw you do this. Do you know any hadith that backs it up? 99.9% say, no, but I saw someone do this, so I thought that this is barakah, blah blah blah. I said, okay, I'll tell you the proper sunnah, and it's up to you to take it or not. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, would never do this, except on two occasions. One, before going to bed. He used to cup his hands, blow, then recite the three quls, and wipe over his body, repeating this 3 times. Or, whenever he felt pain or got sick, he used to do ruqya on himself by cupping his hands, reciting the 3 quls, then blow. See, the opposite. At night, adkar or bedtime, we blow, then recite. In ruqya, we recite, then blow, and he would wipe over the area that aches him or hurts him. Never ever was it reported that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, wiped his face after salat or after dua, or his body. So, always remember, when you have a hadith, people honor it, people value it. In short, wiping the face after dua, or invocation, or supplication, is an innovation. It is not valid. If you like today's video, then subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.